Have you ever wrestled with a stuck screw only to end up with a stripped head or aching hands? In this video, I'll show you the 7 best electric screwdrivers, each offering the right blend of power, precision, and battery life to make your next fix a breeze. In the description, I've left links with the latest prices on Amazon. Let's get started. Number 7. FANTTIK S1 Pro. Say goodbye to manual wrist strain with the FANTTIK S1 Pro, featuring a Magnastrom motor and 3 torque levels, plus a manual torque bump for tougher jobs. The instant stop function halts rotation the moment you lift your finger, preventing stripped screws and polished surfaces. The S1 Pro handles everything from assembling furniture to tightening computer cases. Each bit and the magnetic chuck lock securely into its sleek aluminum alloy case, which opens with a satisfying pop-up action. A robust battery delivers enough power to drive 340 standard screws on a single charge. The USB-C port sits conveniently on the handle so you can charge in place, while the LED power indicator keeps you informed at a glance. Whether you're mounting a faucet, tweaking a socket board, or repairing a desktop PC, the FANTTIK S1 Pro offers accurate torque control and all-day reliability in the palm of your hand. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. UF Tools. For electronics enthusiasts, the UF Tools delivers unmatched versatility in a palm-sized package. Its 200 RPM motor and dual torque modes let you switch seamlessly between delicate watch repairs and tougher gadgets with zero fumbling. Charged via USB-C in under 50 minutes, the battery powers 3 continuous hours of use or stands by for 180 days, perfect for spontaneous fixes. A handy LED under the tip and a magnetized work table pad ensure you never drop or lose small screws in dimly lit spots. This kit includes 48 precision bits, plus tweezers, suction tool, crowbar, and a magnetic pad. So you're ready to service cameras, smartphones, drones, tablets, eyeglasses, and more. The intuitive one-button switch between automatic and manual modes provides tactile feedback, while the soft grip handle offers comfort during extended use. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. FANTTIK S1 Apex. Bring pro-level precision to your bench with the FANTTIK S1 Apex. An 8-setting torque ring and real-time digital display let you dial in, so you never over-tighten delicate screws. 2 speed modes adapt to the task: gentle low speed for small electronics, high speed for bulkier installations. The foldable 4-angle housing reduces wrist fatigue and lets you work comfortably in tight corners or overhead. A bright LED ring illuminates your workspace even at night, and Type-C fast charging powers the battery for marathon repair sessions without performance loss. Furnished with premium steel bits, the Apex tackles computers, furniture assembly, appliance disassembly, and more with surgical accuracy. Tactile buttons for torque and speed changes, plus a pop-up case for neat storage, deliver professional ergonomics in a tool that's as sleek as it is powerful. If you demand both finesse and endurance, the S1 Apex has you covered. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Want free shipping and fast delivery on your products? Try Amazon Prime. There is a 30-day free trial linked in the description. Number 4. HOTO. Meet the HOTO Mini Powerhouse. A ultra-light electric screwdriver with 3 torque settings to adapt instantly from phone repairs to furniture assembly. Its battery drives over 1,000 screws on a single charge, and a quick Type-C refill takes just 150 minutes. Swap one of the 5 ultra-tough steel bits in a flash, thanks to the magnetic tip that holds each bit snugly. An auto-on circular LED provides shadow-free illumination directly at your work surface. The soft rubber TPE grip molds to your hand, giving you total one-hand control. Press and release to stop, eliminating stripped heads and finger slips. All 12 bits tuck neatly into the frosted aluminum storage box, which doubles as a portable work hub thanks to its rubberized handle. Ideal for furniture, electrical repairs, and everyday DIY, HOTO's ergonomic design and serious endurance make it the ultimate travel-ready, do-it-all screwdriver. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. ACESKY. The ACESKY mini screwdriver combines power and precision in one compact unit. A clear LCD screen displays battery level and torque mode at a glance. 4 built-in LEDs light the work area, eliminating shadows when you're inside cabinets or under desks. The battery drives up to 2,000 screws, enough for marathon repair sessions. Type-C charging refills the battery quickly, without removing the screwdriver from your toolkit. A 42-in-1 bit set covers every job. laptop motherboards, eyeglasses, cameras, drones, thermal paste jobs. If it has a screw, ACESKY handles it. The integrated magnetizer, raw demagnetizer, and non-slip grip show attention to detail that pros appreciate. With its blend of power, precision, and intelligent design, this electric screwdriver is a must-have for electronics tinkerers and hobbyists alike. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. iDriver. Engineered for ultimate precision, the iDriver delivers 2 electronic torque modes, from assembling motherboards to adjusting drones. Its motor spins smoothly, and Type-C charging powers the battery to drive 500 screws per charge. Organize your workflow with the sleek aluminum alloy magnetic case. 60 steel bits stay neatly in place and pop up with satisfying ease. The magnetic chuck ensures each bit locks securely, preventing drops or jams. Whether you're repairing smartphones, eyeglasses, or home electronics, the iDriver's precise torque control and compact pen-style design put professional capability in your pocket. If you value accuracy, portability, and a full complement of bits in one polished package, this is the electric screwdriver for you. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. FANTTIK S1 NEX. Redefine your DIY desk with the FANTTIK E1 NEX all-in-one workstation, a precision toolkit styled like a premium keyboard. Flip up the integrated leather pad to reveal 64 nickel-plated steel bits across 12 types: flat, Phillips, torque security, SIM, and more. Plus essential tools like spudgers, tweezers, suction handles, and anti-static wrist straps. Just press to eject the shaft and begin. The pop-up mechanism feels futuristic and satisfying. Every element magnetically locks in place, preventing spills and keeping your workspace pristine. Whether you're servicing smartphones, PS5 controllers, laptops, or cameras, the E1 NEX halves your working time with its responsive motor and intuitive layout. As a gift for gadget geeks or a treat for yourself, this elegant workstation transforms electronics repair into an art form, where every bit and tool is exactly where you need it. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best electric screwdrivers you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.